Hey everyone, my name is Slater. I'm putting some V-18 permanent ridge anchors, and I'll turn the camera around and show you all what's really going on. We're taking out the post and cable, and you'll see why. That's just really a bad idea on the pitch screws. So let me turn this thing around and show you what we got. So what you're looking at here is the bottom side of our V-18 anchor, permanent ridge anchor. But let's look at the other anchor that was in there. It was a post over here, and then 20 feet this way there's another post and the cable strung between them. And so what happens is this is what's going on beneath. So as somebody pulls a load on that cable, it puts in multiple loads. They're going this way on this post, and this wood just can't handle it. So regardless of what the anchor is rated for, if you can't bolt it to something that can handle the weight, it's really bad. So if this post goes, everybody attached to the cable at one end goes, and so that's why these are horizontal death lines, in my opinion. So to actually catch a 5,000 pound load, we needed to do this to bolt it to the structure. So we've got bolts, 3/8 bolts going through, and we've got our 1/2 inch 17/4 stainless hardened V-18 that's going up, and you just see a little bit at the top, of course, in that photo over there. And this works whether this ridge board is present or not. You just simply bring these together. But that's what it takes to get a 5,000 pound load this way and this way. This other thing I showed you is not capable of doing that. Now we want to take a 5,000 pound load this way. So we're going to run blocking this way, and I'll show you what that looks like. When I'm doing these anchors, I install a a pencil bolt on the back side and use my grillion so I don't step off to the side. This one's pretty wide, but when you're drilling, you're not paying attention to necessarily where you're stepping. So let's see, blocking. So this 2x6 is bolted to the bottom of the V-18 anchor. Don't get dizzy. And there's another one. So it's quite flexible in what you can do. We custom make the brackets for the pitch and the job. We were told 2x8s. This one turned out to be 2x6s, so we had to do a little bit improvising. But this blocking, we're doing this blocking, 2 cavities this way and 2 cavities this way, just to catch that load that those bolts at the beginning were trying to catch. So, if you are going to use an anchor, it's important that what you're bolting it to can handle the load. Don't trust these unless you can inspect them. Inspect these first. Y'all take care. Be safe.